Welcome to Nana's, where we're going to make yummy caramel apple slices on a stick.
You can go from this to this. It's quick and easy.
So let's cut up our apples. So these are about 1/2 inch to 3/4 inch thick and will work great when we put the stick in. I'm going to go ahead and cut the seeds out. Of course, I don't want to eat those. The other way that we can do this is to use an apple corer. Now that we have slices, it's going to be very easy to put the sticks into them. If you're going to use popsicle sticks, it helps to make a small slit in the bottom of the skin so that the stick will go in easily. You can also use these small dowel sticks. I really like these. They're very simple to put into the apples.
I'm going to put these all into the refrigerator to cool. Unwrap the caramels into a bowl. Then melt the caramel in the microwave or over a double boiler according to the directions on the package. So I've got the caramel melted. Then I took the chilled apples out of the refrigerator and I have patted them dry with the paper towel so that there's not as much moisture on them, so the caramel will stick better. So let's give this a try.
I'm going to wipe a little bit of the caramel off because we don't want too much of it to drip off the side. And then I'm just going to lay them on parchment paper on a cookie sheet, and then I'm going to refrigerate them again. Oh man, that looks good. If you want, right away, you can sprinkle them with nuts so that it sticks on the caramel, or you can use sprinkles if you would like.
The apples are chilled,
and I've warmed up some
chocolate chips in the microwave and put them in this
plastic bag. And I'm going to cut a corner off of the plastic bag and use it as a piping bag to squirt a little bit of chocolate over these for fun. And right away, put a few nuts on them.
Look how easy these are going to be to eat.
These are yummy caramel apple slices on a stick.
From welcometonanas.com, come and join us for more fall crafts and activities.